Hi everyone, Sean from AdventuresInArchery.com here. Thanks for watching this 7th companion video for my Learn Archery Like a Mameluke series. Today we will be covering the Saracen Archery Release, or Farca. The opening quote talks about an uncharged string, and I cover what that means in the guide. Don't panic, we are not going to be dry firing our bows today. Or any other day. Just don't do that. Anyway, I want to clarify how I use some terms real quick to avoid confusion. In the manuscripts, taking hold of the string is called the lock. Letting go of the string is called the release. Now the manuscript describes and teaches those concepts separately, so I'll be treating them separately here. They are both part of the larger whole of Middle Eastern and Eastern archery, and a lot of people refer to the whole thing as the thumb draw or the thumb release, and that's completely fine. Everyone will pretty much know what you're talking about. It's not that big a deal. I just keep the concepts separate here for the purposes of sharing with beginners. So the lock and the release. So let's talk about what I was doing there. Obviously today you will need your braced bow, and your practice mirror will come in handy later. Mameluke archers were known to use a few different releases, but our author favored one above all others, so I'll show that one. Essentially, to cleanly loose an arrow, get your fingers out of the way, and avoid creeping of the hand forward during the loose, Mamelukes were taught this. Straighten the index finger, open the thumb, spin the hand outwards, and pull it away from the bow a bit. Of course, this was meant to be done all together and very quickly, so it would look more like this. You want your finger and thumb to make a crescent shape. Looks dead simple, but it's definitely easy to forget to do this if you're loosing arrows before you've built the habit. Now, we don't want to dry fire our bows, but it is important to get a feel for this with a string under tension. Lock on the string, draw maybe 4 inches, and go for it. You'll know you came off the string cleanly if it makes a nice clear tone. Here, I'll do it wrong a few times, so hopefully you can hear the difference. You can also feel the string scrape along your index finger if you don't do it right. Now cleanly. Better, right? Now you've got that down, take a look at how it fits into the larger picture of loosing arrows. Remember, during the draw, your index finger is meant to be lined up with your earlobe, and your shoulder, elbow, and wrist are all meant to be level. Mamelukes were taught during the release to think about tapping someone behind them with their elbow, and they were also taught to twist the hand open like we've already been working on. As a result, they were taught that upon completion of the release, the index finger should come to rest right below the earlobe. And you can see how that all works together. It's not a big movement, but it's an important one. So there you go. That's the Saracen Archery Release. Really work on that, and maybe even practice on both sides, because in the next video, we are finally going to be loosing arrows, and you're going to have a lot more to think about. Alright, thanks for watching again, and I look forward to your questions and comments below. See you next time.